anything with
See the
tails,
birds? Look at the butterflies. See the butterflies?
Fish?
Yeah.
I didn't know they'd be that big.
I don't think it's like what we know as catfish, you know what I mean? Look how big those arowanas are.
Colorful bird. Oh, it's hidden. Alright, Mom. Well, that one's got a bug in its mouth. It's got a butterfly or something. You see that one? That was cool, huh? He had a bug in his mouth. Butterfly.